Good morning, students. Let us discuss 1 mark in this session, revision in all the 5 chapters. Okay, let us discuss the assumption and reasoning and multiple choice questions. Okay, let us see. What is the direction is assumption and reason. Okay, they will be giving two statements. Assumption will be a statement and reason is another statement. Sometimes both are correct and the reason is the correct for the assumption. The reason will be correct. If both are correct, then A option. Sometimes both will be correct but R will not be relevant to the assumption, that is option B. Assumption is correct sometime but reason may be false, and then the option is C. D, assumption may be wrong, false, and reason may be true, and both the things are false, it is E option. So the options you should read properly, and then you should read assumption and reason. Then you should find which option is correct. Write with the question number the option and the answer. Okay, for example, graphite is slippery to touch. Okay, yeah, it will be slippery to touch. The various layer of carbon atoms in graphite are held together by weak van der Waals force. So that is why they are slippery. So reason and the assumption is correct. So option A is right. So both assumption and reason are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. So found in nature as free in free state. Is it correct? No, iron is not. They will not be obtained as free state because it is highly reactive. So first assumption is wrong, false, reason is correct. Iron is a highly reactive element. The third question. Assumption, zinc is used as a galvanization it is used in the galvanization of iron. Yes, it's correct. Is its coating of iron article increases their life by protecting them from rusting. Yes, that is the correct answer. So both A and R are correct, and it is a correct explanation. So A option is correct. As a sun, okay, they have given stannous chloride is a powerful oxidizing agent. Okay, tin chloride is a powerful oxidizing agent. Then what for it will be used? So the mercury chloride to mercury, okay, here it oxidizes. So it is correct. Here stannous chloride gives grey precipitate with mercury chloride, but stannic chloride does not so. So they have given one statement, but it is not correct. Okay, and it is not relevant answer also. So C option is correct. Assumption is correct, but reason is incorrect. That is wrong. Okay. Yes. Let us go for the next. Pure water is neither acidic nor basic. Yes, it is neither acidic nor base. It is then only it is pure water. Otherwise, it will be acidic or basic. They are neutral, so it will not be neither acidic nor basic. Yes, it is correct. The pH of the assumption. So option B is correct. Both are correct, but it is not correct relevant answer for E. Okay, next. Assumption. During electrolysis of concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride, okay, is produced at anode and chlorine gas is produced as cathode. That's wrong. So reason, ions are attracted to oppositely charged particles, electrodes. That is correct. So A is wrong. You know that hydrogen is positive, move towards the negative ion, that is cathode. Here it is given anode, that itself wrong. So the statement is wrong. Assumption is wrong, false, and reason is correct. Assumption, seventh one. Hydrochloric gas does not give change the color in Dry blue litmus. So both are dry, so we cannot use it because no moisture. Why? If moisture is there only, there will be movement of ions. So reason is correct. Okay. A is also correct. Both option A and R are correct, and R is the relevant option. Diamond and graphite are allotropes of carbon. Yes, it's correct. Some elements can have several different structural forms while in the same physical state. So they will have different structures in the physical state. Okay, these differing from forms. So the differing forms are called as allotropes. So it is correct. Calcium carbonate when heated, it gives calcium oxide and water. No, because it gives carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. Okay, and this has happened by decomposition. So R is correct, but A is wrong. It gives carbon dioxide, not water. So A is wrong and R is right. So D option. Acetone, okay, they have given carbon reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide. Yes, and it is acidic oxide. Why? Because carbon is a non-metal, and when it react with oxygen, and it gives carbon dioxide. So it is correct. So both the A and R are correct, and it is correct. 11 point of that. So here, as I said, metals are sonorous. Is correct, and they are brittle in solid state. So it is wrong. So A is true, or is wrong because metals are not brittle. Okay, next. As I said, A. Brown fumes are produced when when we heat lead nitrate. Yes, correct. Nitrogen dioxide gas is produced as a byproduct due to the decomposition of lead nitrate. That also correct. So A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, bronze is an alloy of lead and tin. Okay, it is correct. But alloys are heterogeneous mixture of metals and with the metals and non-metals. So it's wrong. It is homogeneous mixture. So A is correct and R is false. As I said, gas bubbles are observed when sodium carbonate is added to it is also correct. So both A and R are correct, and this R is a correct reason of A. Next, zinc oxide amphoteric in nature. Yes, it will act as both acidic and basic. So it is called it is called as amphoteric in nature. Okay. Next, which of the following metals has high melting point? Immediately you can write it is tungsten. That's why it is used in the filaments. So comparing to copper, silver, sodium, and tungsten, tungsten only has high melting point. Okay. Which of the following is a physical state? Formation of curd from milk is a chemical change. Ripening of fruit also chemical change. Getting soft salt and water by evaporation also it is chemical change. Getting salt from sea water is a physical change. Burning of wood is a chemical change. So here getting a salt from sea water, it is evaporation, it is a physical change. Other all things are chemical change. Chemical formula of baking soda, it's very important. Sodium hydrogen carbonate only is correct answer. Okay, next. An alloy. What is an alloy? Alloy is a homogeneous mixture. No other choices. An element, a compound, a heterogeneous, all are wrong. White silver chloride is in sunlight turns gray. Okay, or yellow, or remains white and or gray. So what is the answer? Yes, silver chloride is white. When you heat it in sunlight, it turns okay. Plus chlorine. Here it silver chloride is converted into silver. Okay, then black and white photography, decomposition of silver bromide only will be used. Next, which of the following is not the property of homologous series? Okay, differing in CH2 unit. Okay, that is the thing. And 14U will be the difference in the mass. They contain double, they all contain double bond. That is wrong. It may contain, it always they will not contain, they may contain double, what is that, they may contain, they may contain double bond, not always. So they can be represented by a general formula. They contain double bond. So here, so this homologous series may not always contain double bond. That is the reason. Okay, that is why it is selected. A redox reaction is one in which both the substances are reduced. Okay, here redox means immediately you can write both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So both are reduced, both are oxidized, acid is neutralized by base. This and all wrong. Okay, what is the answer? One substance is, one will be oxidized, another one will be reduced. That is the correct option, D. Okay, already you have seen the same question. Homologous series, what are the things? These are the properties. Which one is not that? So CH2 will be the unit difference, 14 is the U value, and they contain double bond also, and they had represented by, it is not necessary for homologous series that is must contain the double bond. It is not necessary. It may contain, but it is not necessary conditions. Let us discuss the 2 mark in the next class. Thank you.